Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing from my page kit number 114. I'm just calling this the title and the end page. This page kit can be used as a 2-page layout, but the intention is so that you have the first page of your book and the last page of your book to complete your album. But of course, you can use it however you wish. So let's go ahead and get started. This is for the title, The Happiest Place on Earth. I will be using the Art Glitter brand designer Art Glitter designer Dries Clear with a fine metal tip. Okay, I always wipe off my pin and my tip frequently when using this, just to make sure it doesn't get clogged. So I'm going to go ahead, as I always do, and glue on the large base piece first. And as I mentioned before, this glue does dry quickly, so you have to work kind of fast, especially when you're working with larger areas. You don't want the glue to start drying on you before you get done. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I try to stay away from the edge, about 1/8 of an inch away from the edge. It's not perfect, but that's just what I aim for, just so I don't get too much glue, excess glue coming out when I put it down. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna place it down right in the center. You should have a really nice 1/8 of an inch border all around the edge. Okay, so there are definitely layers in this, so it does make a difference what goes down first. You'll have a photo in the kit. I will put the link below if you'd like to pick up one of these kits if you haven't already. And there'll be a picture, a finished picture of this in your kit, or you can come back to this video and do it with me. But anywho, so you just follow that. You want to see what the bottom layers are first. Now in this case, it's going to be the clouds, but I am seeing that on this particular cloud, one of the balloon strings is actually under the cloud. So you definitely really want to look at everything before gluing everything down. So in this case, I'm going to glue the balloon first over here. And look at those strings too. There's a certain way the strings are going to go. So the first little curve comes out to, the largest curve comes out to the left. You just want to make sure you get glue on the correct side. And you want to make sure you have a nice even border of white around, like in these areas here and right over here from the edge. Okay, so now once that's down, I can go ahead and glue my clouds down. Oh, no, I cannot. Oh, there's another string. Wait a second. I missed that one. Glad I caught it before it was fully glued down. So there's 2 balloon strings that go under the cloud. Now, it's not the end of the world if your balloon strings go on top of the clouds. This is just how I'm choosing to layer mine. You can certainly layer them however you like. Okay, let me go ahead and get this cloud down. There's nothing that goes under it over here. I'd like to lay out all my pieces first. I'm working on a nice clean surface here. You don't want to chance any small pieces getting hidden under anything. Also look under larger pieces if you're missing something really small in case it got stuck underneath something. But yeah, just lay them out so you can see that you have everything, or see what you have when you're working. It makes it a lot nicer than trying to sift through the baggie while you're trying to work. as well. So then we have a banner, but again, we have the balloons. So actually, I'd probably say go ahead and just glue all 3 of your balloons down first. And then the clouds. Second. And I'm just going to quickly write that down for when I put the instructions together. You want to glue balloons and then clouds. Since I'm doing this on camera, I'm not taking a picture as I'm doing this, which I would normally do. So that's why I'm just going to make sure that's in the instructions for you. Okay, and then let's put the colors of the balloons. So we have the green one's going to go up here. And I believe some of these images, I don't think the whole thing, because I did design the title, I believe. But like the balloons, the flags, and the clouds, I believe are Miss Kate Cuttables, and the words are just the font that I added to it. Okay, so we have the green, the yellow, and the red balloon. Now you'll see on the balloons, the bottom of the balloon isn't exactly straight. I'm trying to get the camera in focus here to see if you can see this. Let's see. Will that help? There we go. Focus. It's not focusing. So the bottom is not straight. It has like a little divot in. Anyway, the longest part of the balloon where it kind of goes down a little bit, that goes on the right. So just be sure when you're putting this together to just look at the photo carefully when you're doing this, so you don't put glue on the wrong side of anything. If it's a textured paper, usually that's a good indication that it's the textured face up. Typically, that's what it should be. Okay, so we have the balloons. That's super cute already. So now the banner piece. Now this has a certain way too, so before you add your glue, look at the tips on the ends. One is straight up and down and the other one is straight going across. The one straight going across goes on the left, and you can see the white shadow where or how it's going to look. So just be careful of that before you put on your glue. Okay, now these little triangles. I think I'm going to go ahead and just put the glue right here. So I recommend just laying the little triangles down first without glue, just to see if you've got it in the right position. I don't know if all 3 sides are equal. I'm not sure, but so far it seems to be working out. Alrighty, so there's the banner. Okay, so now we can go ahead and add the words, and then we'll be done. So it doesn't look like any of the words are overlapping each other, so it doesn't matter what order that you choose to put the words on at this point. Now the Mickey head looks like it's popping up, but I thought I put glue on there. Maybe not enough. Some glue back on there. Maybe because it's overlapping some layers. It could be too. So let me know in the comments below what you think. What's your favorite glue to use? Mine is the Art Glare Designer Dries Clear. I love that, but I hear some people use glue pens and other types of glue. I'd love to hear what you recommend, what you like to use. And if you're picking up this page kit, are you going to be using it as a 2-page layout or as the title or the first and the last page of your album? I'd love to hear your comments. And I want to thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the magic. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram where I post updates on upcoming projects. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.